Okay, folks, I'm ready to start reinstalling the valve cover. So I just want to zoom in here on a couple of things and show you what happened and what I did for this replacement. So, like I said, there are some lower peaks on the head, which the oil leaks are caused from. So there's a DABA RTV there, and on this side there's a DABA RTV there. And then from the videos I was following, they said if you're a little bit nervous that the RTV will fall off while you're putting the gaskets on, you just put a little dab there and a little dab here where it is on the head. So if that stuff falls off the head, you'll at least have the dab on the valve cover that you put there. So we're ready to start reinstalling this. I'm going to set you guys up as best I can here again. Yeah, that's a pretty good position. That's what she said. Okay, we can see the timing chain there. Okay. Now, it is kind of fun to do this, apparently, to slide air in there, but let's see what sort of a plan I can come up with to do this. Oh, I didn't show you this. So, the gasket itself, I've laid it in there and pushed it down all around the edges where the spark plugs go. And we should be ready to rock and roll. Let's see. Everything's holding in place. Okay. I want to attack this like this. Fun times working by yourself. Okay. I don't know what that was, but we're not going to worry. What am I stuck on? Slide over, baby. Come on, there we go. That's on. Oh, fuck. I gotta reset. Jesus Murphy. Yeah, this is not easy. Working alone. Fudge. That didn't go as planned. Oh, please. Please, 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 just work with me. All right. Back in place. Put that where we want it. Push, push, push. Hold in, baby, hold in. I need to get myself organized for this. A little bit better. All right. That's what I want. Okie dokie. Come on. Oh, there we go. That's a little better. Okay, let's see if we can do it this time, folks. Trust. We're holding, we're holding. Well, there we go. That might help. Come on, guys. Is there something? Really? Again. Oh well, sometimes that's how it goes, folks. I think they say the third time's a charm, so let's have faith and let's believe that this time we are going to land it right. I've had 2 runs, so I should be getting the idea by now. Maybe I should call in a bit of assistance. Get somebody to hold that one piece up for me, because it's let me see something. How hard would it be to remove it? Oh, okay. Oh fuck, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Shit. Didn't see that, folks. I'm gonna take this off to put this cover on. And it should work this time. I had something obstructing the valve cover. It's a sensor here. I don't know if everybody takes it off to do this. Hopefully we're not doing anything too nutty to the sensor. You know what? I think I might wait on that. Let's rethink that, Chris. Gotta be able to land that with this sensor still on it. Gotta be able to. Getting a little warm. Alright, that's tightened back up. Holy fudge. Come on, guys. Yeah, there's that little head pins too. There's 2 of them that I see. Okay. Fuck you. You stupid fucking thing. Oh, really? Fuck you. You slut. Oh, folks. I'm not sure what to do here. I know this takes patience, but one or everything. Maybe I should tackle it from the other direction. What? Holy fuck, man. Maybe you can help me while you're here, please. This is the 4th time I'm going to try to put this on. And this sensor here is one of the problems. So, yeah. Fuck. I need this held like that as best as possible. Need what? This held like that as best as possible. Your hand can't be here though, like, hold on. Maybe you can hold this stuff out of the way for me over here, come around behind me. Hold that out of the way so it doesn't hit the underside of this. Yeah, just like that. Thanks, Mom. Hi, folks. Mom's here giving me an assist for this attempt. We should be able to land it this time. Please help us get this on here. just great.
Take your time.
I am,
All right,
Mom.
okay.
I've been taking my time.
All right.
It keeps falling out as I'm putting it down. Now I'm wondering, like, I don't want to lay it on the head and then try to put the cover on top of it, because that's not the proper way. From what I've seen, you put it into this groove. It's supposed to stay in this groove nicely as best as possible. Okay, I'm starting to sweat, folks. Big time. See, she's not falling. I wonder. Sorry, Mom, just like that right there. Perfect. Holy shit. We're so close. Fuck. Hold on. Oh, that's it. Okay. I think we got her that time, folks. Thank you, Mom, for the help.
You're welcome.
Much appreciated.
Oh, my services are done here.
I think so. I'm just gonna double check what's happening. There are pins for the head to sit in. Come on. Find your place. Holy fuck. Stay calm. Yeah, Mama, I think you're good to go. I don't know.
All right, well, call me if you need me.
Holy shit.
Let's
Probably fucked again.
take a minute here and have a bite.
Yeah, don't take off. Hold on. Hold on.
Concentrate better.
Don't leave yet. Please. Should be right in there, man. That's it. Looks exactly lined up. Why isn't she sitting?
On the boat.
What?
On the boat.
Where? Yeah, Mom, don't add anything to the recipe, please. I don't know what that's from or who. I'm gonna lose it, folks.